today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a bunch of slimes that I bought from Kawaii Slime Company. So the first thing I got was the slime care pack, and I like how this was bundled all together. So the first things in here were just some little candies, and then the activator in here was so awesome because it was already like made up in this little spray bottle, and it has all the information that you need for the activator on the bottle. And then there was also a really fun bonus slime and then a little business card, and the slime in here was actually really nice. It had a cute little cookie charm in here, and it smelled super sweet, and it was really nice and stretchy, and I love that they included an extra slime. So the first slime I picked out is this cherry gelati slime hybrid, and I picked this out because I just thought it looked so cool because it's a layered slime. So the bottom layer is a cherry scented slime, and it's kind of like a jelly consistency, and then on top is a really smooth and creamy vanilla scented slime, and then when you mix them together, oh my gosh, the scent was amazing. I love the two different tones of slime here, and I love the two different textures, and then when you mix them together they were incredible. And it also came with this adorable cherry charm to go along with the cherry theme of the slime, and I love slimes that come with charms. I just think that's so cute. So when these two slimes were mixed together, it became super sizzly, super creamy and smooth, and I loved playing with this one so much. And I was already so impressed by Kawaii Slime Company. Oh my gosh, wait till you guys see the rest of the slimes in this video. And yeah, let's keep going. Oh, and also I want to mention that this slime did inflate a little, which I loved. Next we have Bubble Pop Clear Slime, and this is a 6 ounce, and I actually have it sitting in front of me right now because it smells so incredible. It smells just like a lolly I used to eat, and I can't remember which lolly it is, but oh my gosh, it's like making my mouth water. So this is a clear based slime, and I loved the texture of this slime. It has large blue foam beads and small pink foam beads, which give it an awesome texture, and it's also got some really pretty iridescent glitters in it. And this is such a clicky slime. I loved it so much. I got so many good like bubble pops from it, and this is definitely one of my favorite slimes in this entire video. I'm just so obsessed with it. I also just wanted to quickly talk about the packaging of these slimes. They all came nicely sealed, so none of these slimes leaked, which I loved. They were all really nicely packaged, and I was just really impressed with how they all arrived. Next up we have Tutti Frutti Glossy Thick Slime, and this is a 4 ounce slime, and as you can see the base of this is a very thick and glossy slime, and then it has multicolored mini foam beads in it, and I really like this slime. It smells super tropical, and it just like reminds me of summer, which I love, and it's a really beautiful bright turquoise color, and it's very clicky, which I do like. And as you can see in the beginning, it came with a little bag of extra little foam beads, and I think they're called Fimo pieces, the little like slices of fruit. They're so cute, and I like that you get those as an extra to like place on top. I just think it makes playing with the slime so much more fun and interactive. So up next we have a very differently packaged but also super fun slime. So this is from their ice cream slime collection, and I picked up the blue one, which was a cookie dough inspired slime. So they had like a bunch of different ice cream inspired slimes, and they all came in this super fun and cute container. So this one was like a cloud dough texture. It totally felt like cookie dough, which I found so awesome. And oh my gosh, the scent of this was incredible. It literally smelled like cookie dough, and then it's got these little colorful clay sprinkles which give it that awesome funfetti effect. And the only negative I had about this slime is that I wish I had had more. I wish I had so much more of this slime to play with. You only get, I think it was 2 ounces, I think it said on the website. So I wish I had more because it was just such an incredible slime. I love it so much. Up next, we have Kawaii Seafood Slime, and this is a 6 ounce, and as you can see here, it's got pastel foam beads and these really pretty little shell, like sequiny glitters, which is so cute. So the base of this slime is a glossy slime, and I loved this so much. I loved the pastel foam beads. I actually bought a bunch of foam beads from this website because they sell the pastel ones, so I'm super excited to start using them, but I love the way they looked in this slime. And it also came with a really cute seafood themed charm, which I liked, and this smelled amazing. It literally smelled like Fruit Loops to me, so I loved playing with this slime because it just smelled incredible. It filled my entire room with this amazing sweet scent. Up next, we have my favorite slime in this entire slime review, and this is the Pink Chiffon Cloud Slime, and this is just the most beautifully displayed slime I've ever seen. As you can see, it came in this really awesome dome packaging to protect the slime and the little rainbow charm on top, and then it had some really pretty blue iridescent glitters on top. So this is a cloud slime, and this is amazing. It is so drizzly, and I was so impressed with the texture of it. And can we just take a second to talk about the scent of this slime? I wish I had this scent in a candle. It smells incredible. I don't think I've ever smelled a slime that smells this good. The scent is very sweet, and they describe it as being a soft pink sugar chiffon which has notes of whipped vanilla, orchid blossoms, and exotic fruits. And I wish you could smell the slime through the screens so you could see how incredibly sweet it smells. Up next, we have this adorable slime, and this is Dreamy Unicorn Butter Slime, and this is a 6 ounce, and this is supposed to be a 2-tone slime. It's supposed to have a swirl of white and blue, but due to shipping, mine was mixed. I mean, like, it has to ship to another country, so I'm totally okay with that. It was still a really beautiful slime, and it came with an adorable unicorn charm, and I loved the spreadability of this butter slime. It was very smooth and very creamy, and the scent was absolutely delicious. Oh my gosh, I like all the scents of these slimes are just amazing and incredible. And I don't know if I already stated in this video, but I did buy all these slimes myself. I just stumbled across this slime shop one day and thought their slimes looked beautiful and so cute and different, so I decided to pick a bunch up because I thought it would be fun to review and share them with you. Now we have Pineapple Chunks Jelly Cube Slime, and this is a 6 ounce slime. So this is a slime inspired by pineapple, and I loved the scent of this. It smelled like an ice block to me, so it smelled like summer, which goes perfectly with the pineapple scent because when I think of pineapple, I think of summer. So the base of this slime is a clear slime, and it was super clear and super smooth. I loved this clear slime so much, and I did like the texture of the jelly cubes in it. I'm not sure if I love jelly cube slime yet. I think I need to like play around with it. I definitely want to try making one myself, but it's definitely a different texture, and I did have a lot of fun playing with it. So that's all the slimes that I picked up from Kawaii Slime Company, and oh my gosh, I just have to say I was so impressed with this slime package. I loved every single slime, and I loved how much thought went into all of their slimes, like the extra charms and the scents and just everything like that. I wasn't disappointed with any of the slimes, and I would definitely be repurchasing. I'm already looking at the website, looking at some of the slimes that I want to try. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe if you haven't already, and I will speak to you guys in my next video. Bye!